Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your data backup with Carbonite beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Carbonite website. Once you're on the site, click on the Get Started button. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting your plan, create a new account by entering your email address and setting a password. Check your email for a confirmation message from Carbonite. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Next, download the Carbonite application for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Carbonite on your computer. After installation, launch the Carbonite application. Sign in using the account credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, Carbonite will start scanning your files. You can customize which folders and files to back up by selecting them in the settings. Ensure that all important documents and media files are included in your backup. Review the backup schedule to decide how often you want your data to be backed up. Set the backup to run automatically for peace of mind. After adjusting the settings, click the Start Backup button. Monitor the backup progress on your Carbonite dashboard. Once the initial backup is complete, check for confirmation in the application. Regularly check the application to ensure that backups are running smoothly. If you need to restore files, open the Carbonite application. Navigate to the Restore section to select which files you wish to recover. Follow the prompts to restore your files to their original locations or download them to your computer. Make a habit of reviewing your backup settings periodically. Keep your Carbonite application updated for the best performance. With these steps, your data backup will be secure with Carbonite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.